If Google Chrome is stuck on establishing a secure connection on Windows 10 or Windows 11, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can usually solve the problem fast. This issue is often caused by a corrupted SSL cache, bad DNS records, a network stack problem, or even an incorrect system clock. The good news is that you can troubleshoot all of that right from Windows without needing any advanced tools. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to clear the Windows SSL state. Windows stores SSL certificate information in a cache, and if that cache becomes outdated or corrupted, Chrome can get stuck while trying to establish a secure connection. To do this, press the Windows key on your keyboard, type Control Panel and press Enter. Once Control Panel opens, click on Network and Internet, and then select Internet Options. In the Internet Properties window, go to the Content tab at the top. Here you'll see a button that says Clear SSL State. Click that button and then click OK to confirm. This clears the stored SSL information and gives Chrome a fresh start. After that, close the windows and relaunch Chrome to see if the issue is gone. If Chrome is still having trouble, the next step is to reset Winsock and flush the DNS cache. Sometimes corrupted network catalog entries or broken DNS records can stop secure handshakes from completing properly. To do this, press the Windows key again, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. A command window will open with administrator privileges. Type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. This resets the Windows network stack and can fix connection problems caused by damaged socket settings. Next, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. This clears out old DNS routing data that may be sending Chrome to the wrong destination. Once both commands are complete, restart your computer so the changes can fully take effect. After the restart, open Chrome again and test the site. Now let's fix something that many people overlook, your system clock. If your Windows date and time are incorrect, Chrome may not be able to validate a website's SSL certificate correctly. That mismatch can trigger secure connection errors. To check this, right-click the digital clock in the bottom right corner of your taskbar and choose Adjust Date and Time. If you're on a slightly different version of Windows, it may say Adjust Date/Time instead, and that's perfectly fine. In the date and time settings, make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. You can also verify that your time zone is correct. Then scroll down until you see the Synchronize Your Clock section and click Sync Now. This forces Windows to pull the correct time from the internet, which can immediately fix certificate validation issues. Once that's done, go back to Chrome and try loading the website again. If the issue still continues, the last fix we'll try is toggling Chrome's Secure DNS setting. While Secure DNS is useful for privacy and security, in some cases it can interfere with local network settings or cause handshake errors. To change this, open Google Chrome, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. In the left-hand menu, click Privacy and Security, then select Security. Scroll down to the Advanced section and look for Use Secure DNS. Toggle it off. After turning it off, restart Chrome and try visiting the website again. For many users, this one small change is enough to stop the endless establishing secure connection message. So, to quickly recap, if Chrome is stuck establishing a secure connection on Windows 10 or Windows 11, the best fixes are clearing the SSL state, resetting Winsock, flushing DNS, synchronizing your system clock, and disabling Secure DNS in Chrome if needed.
In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue and get your browser working normally again. If this tutorial helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.